everyone, so today we're going to solve this particular question without the help of calculator, and trust me, this is so easy. You will be wondering that why didn't you think of it first. See, all of these numbers are very close to 100, so let's write them in terms of what? 100 minus 1 square plus 98 can be written as what? 100 minus 2 the whole square. 97 can be written as 100 minus 3 the whole square, and 96 can be written as what? 100 minus 4 the whole square. Now, for our safety, or for our like peace of mind, let's take it as what? A. So this is what? A minus 1 the whole square. So basically 100 has been taken as A. Okay, so here also it will become what? A minus 2 the whole square. Here this becomes A minus 3 the whole square. Here this becomes A minus 4 the whole square. Now let's do the expansion. So we'll have what? A square minus 2A plus 1 plus again A square minus 4A plus 4. Here we'll have A square minus 6A plus 9. And the last expansion will be A square minus 8A plus 16. So now we will count how many A squares we had. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we had 4A square. Okay. Then we have minus 2A minus 4A. That gets you minus 6A. Then again minus 6A. That is minus 12A. And then minus 8A. So that gets you minus 20A. And now what we have over here is 1 plus 4. That gets you 5 plus 9 gets you 14 plus 16 gets you plus 30. Now it's time for us to put the value of A square. That is nothing but what? A is 100. So square of 100, that is nothing but what? 10,000. So 4 into 10,000 minus 20 into 100, that gets you, sorry, I can write that directly. 20 into 100 will get you what? 2,000 plus 30. So basically this is coming out to be 40,000 minus 2,000 plus 30. So 40,000 minus 2,000 gets you what? 38,000 plus 30. So final answer for this particular question is 38,000 and 30. Okay, so I hope you saw how easily you could do this without the help of calculator. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.